So when it comes to building an online business, there are 10 things that we're always doing when it comes to selling our knowledge online, okay? So in any business, really, it doesn't matter if you're just selling your knowledge online, but let's just talk about that because that's what I help people do. I help people turn their advice into a digital product and program and course and membership that they can sell online and make money. In this video, what I want to share with you is 10 simple line items that you can do and think about with your business here that is going to help you actually make it valuable, make it grow, and it's what people are going to be buying from you. It's what they actually buy when they buy something from you, any kind of product or service. So if you can nail these 10 line items and you take these 10 line items and you actually start asking yourself, how can I make it like this in my own business? These are things that we want to decrease and increase, and if we can do this inside of the business, you'll have so much more to talk about in your business. You'll also be able to get more people to say, you know what, perfect, that's exactly what I'm looking for, and they'll want to come over and check out your free offers, your paid offers. You'll be able to generate leads better. Everything just kind of starts to get better when you knock all these things down. Now, you don't have to knock them all down, but it's the goal, right? So let's take a look at this and walk through these very simply. So when somebody goes to buy a product or service, they're looking to simplify things, right? So we've got this, let me get my little pin out here. We're on this item right here, right? So make it from complex to simple. Hey, would you rather have it complex or simple? Of course, pretty easy to answer that one. Do you want something that's generic or do you want something that's specific to your problem? Probably something that's specific to your problem. Do you want something to be painful or painless? The more you can make something painless for them to get to the result, the better it's going to be, the more valuable it is. It's kind of like going to the dentist. You would pay them more if they could make it more painless. Slow versus fast. Do you want the tooth to come out fast and painless, or do you want it to be slow and painful, right? Do you want somebody to join your program and it's slow and dread and like, or do they want to get in there, get the result fast? Pretty simple. Incomplete versus complete. Most people give you incomplete information. They don't give you the full story. Come over here, we give you the complete story. We don't hold anything out. You see how this is working? Let me move this right up here. Now, let's also think about hard versus easy. When I first started creating online courses, I was like trying to make it too hard. I put too much stuff in there. You might be doing this too. You might be looking at, oh yeah, well, I would love to do that, but it's going to take forever. The faster you make them get the result, the easier you make them get the result, the more valuable you are to them. Just because you got a bunch of crap in your course doesn't mean that it's more valuable. What makes it more valuable is everything over here on the green side, okay? Risky versus no risk. How can you take the risk out of doing the course, getting the result, getting to the answer, getting the thing completed? Spending money with you, how can you make it less risky? How can you give them so much value that it's just a no-brainer for them? Correct versus false. How are you proving out what you're doing? Is it baloney or not? Can you actually show them the correct way? What is the correct way? Get to the root cause, not the surface level. I see a lot of people talking about how to do content better, or how to create courses better, or how to do this and that, and it's like, that's all surface level stuff. Let's get down to the root cause of what actually makes something work. And then old versus new. Whether it's old or new, does it feel old or new, right? There's core concepts in everything. There's nothing new under the sun when it comes to that. But can you make it new in the way that you're delivering it? Can you make it new in the vehicle, the package, the thing? The motor that's been in the car has been the same motor that's always been in there for umpteen years, but the way they package it, some of the things inside of it are new. So it's not that you have to reinvent the wheel here, but take a screenshot of this. Let me get this out of the way. Take a screenshot of this and use this, okay? Think about everything that you go to create, whether it's content, whether it's a course. It doesn't matter what it is. When you go to create your product in your business, you are getting rid of the red side, increasing the green side. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you like it, let me know down in the comments that you want more of this stuff. Otherwise, I would probably go check out this video right here.